Hello and welcome to my channel. It is super hot outside today, so join me in making a refreshing strawberry lemonade with a hint of mint. Now let's get started. For this recipe, you are going to need 1 pan of strawberries. I have already washed them, removed the stems, and cut them in half. You will also need 1 cup of sugar, 6 lemons and 2 limes, 8½ cups of water, or 4 water bottles, it's about 8½ cups, and 3 large leaves of sweet mint. The first thing we are going to do is cut the lemons and limes in half. Usually if the lime is smooth, that means it has a lot of juice. Squeeze the lemons into a container so that you can strain the seeds. I like to hand squeeze all of the lemons because I feel like the lemon squeezer gives it a bitter taste if I over squeeze. I usually try to aim for about 1 cup of lemon and lime juice. Also, before you squeeze a lime, make sure it is not bitter because 1 bitter lime can ruin your whole pitcher. The next thing we are going to do is add all of our ingredients into the blender. So go ahead and add the mint leaves. Put the strawberries in. If you have your blender, go ahead and put it in your blender. I use a handheld blender. Add the cup of sugar. And add about half of the water bottle, which is 1 cup. And now we're going to blend it. Now let's go ahead and put it in the pitcher. I am going to strain my lemon juice. Then add the blended strawberries. Add the remaining water. Then go ahead and stir it and taste it. If you think it needs more sugar, go ahead and add it. If you think it's too sweet, just add more water. For me, 1 cup of sugar is perfect. And the only thing left to do is to grab some ice, pour your drink, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.